this work? My parents had VHS for like 1 year. Got a nice equalizer on here.
No, you just stop. Hit the play button.
Hello, fantasy was taken. I want to play a game. This game you will be playing may be familiar to you, as it is the game you force the hundreds of thousands of children you make your living off of to play each and every day. You have spent the last 4 years selling these children endless merchandise
Doesn't even have a motor.
they must buy to support you. In 1 minute, the cords around your chest tighten and your ribcage will be crushed, but there is a way out. I was irrelevant. You make us children give an arm and a leg for your monetary gain, and I'll breathe for your monetary gain.
Super bass.
You must give your
Bass.
arm with your
Bass.
Within
No
your
bass.
arm, I have
Placed
Rebel.
the key to your salvation.
and the only way out is through. Make your choice.
Where'd you get those? Can't you act like a normal person?
You taped up one of my hands. I can't eat peanuts like a normal person.
Just. Okay.
Oh my god.
Do what it says on the cassette player.
There.
Now! Do it now!
I don't take yoga.
You're gonna sit there and you're gonna do what it says on the recording. Go.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ow, ow, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ow, ooh, yikes.
You're breaking it. Okay. Now stay there. Don't move. This is supposed to be.
What?
Stop it. Stop it.
Uh-huh.
This.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cut your arm off. Okay? Just do it.
Subscribe. That's spicy.